Seventh problem. Two soldiers A and B into different underground bunkers on a straight road. Spot an intruder at the top of the hill. The angle of elevation of intruder from A is 30 degree and from B is 45 degree. If A and B stand 5 km apart, find the distance of the intruder from B. Here in this triangle, A and B are the soldiers standing apart 5 km on the same straight line, straight road. Okay. The angle of elevation of both the soldiers to the intruder is 30 degree and 45 degree. From this 30 and 45 I can easily find out this value here, the angle 135 degree. If this is 45 degree, the adjacent angle is 135 degree. Now look at the triangle APB. In this triangle, if it is 30 degree, if it is 135 degree, we can easily find this angle is as 15 degree. Okay, and then if this is 15 degree, the angle, the sum of the angle in the triangle is 180 degree. And then look at the next one. Here this is 45 degree is given already. We know that this is 90 degree. Therefore, obviously, this angle is 45 degree. Okay, that's all about the triangles. Now, let me go for the problem here. From this triangle, we can take PAB. Angle PAB is 30 degree. It's given. Angle PBC. This is also given as 45 degree. This angle 15 degree we found that. Angle APB is 15 degree. Okay, from this I want to take the sine formula. Here I can say this sine A by A. Isn't it? Sine A by A. So this is nothing but sine A is 30 here. Sine 30 by x equal to sine 15 by 5. So what are the things given? We can take this as the sine formula. So that we have 5 by sine 15 equal to x by sine 30. So cross multiply so that we have x equal to 5 sine 30 divided by sine 15. This 30 can be written as 2 into 15, isn't it? So that means sine 2 into 15. That sine 2 into 15 can be written as the formula sine 2a. Sine 2a formula is 2 sine a cos a. So we have to write this formula here for sine 30. That means sine 2 into 15. That is equal to 2 sine 15 into cos 15 divided by, already we have this sine 15 degree and this 5 here, keep as it is there, and then I can cancel this sine 15 and sine 15. The remaining things are 10 cos 15. So we got x equal to 10 cos 15. Here I want to find the value of cos 15. So this cos 15 can be written as 45 minus 30 degree. So cos of a minus b, that formula is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So cos a is cos 45 degree, b is 30 degree. So cos a cos b. The value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Value of sin 20 is 1 by 2. Therefore, it will be, if you multiply everything, we have this root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the value of cos 15. So substitute in this equation x equal to 10 into cos 15. That cos 15 is root 3 by 2 divided by 2 root 2. We can cancel here and here. Therefore, we have 5 root 3 plus 1 by root 2. So rationalize the denominator so that we have to multiply and divide by this root 2. Therefore, we have 5 root 2 into root 3 plus 1 at the numerator, and here root 2 into root 2 is changes as 2. Therefore, this 5 root 2 into root 3 plus 1 by 2 is the answer. Eighth problem. A researcher wants to determine the width of the pond from east to west, which cannot be done by the actual measurement. From a point P, he finds the distance of the easternmost point of the pond to be 8 km, while the distance to the westernmost point of P to be 6 km. If the angle between the two lines is 60 degree, find the width of the pond. So that is the problem here. Here in this book it's given from PA equal to 8 and PB equal to 6. That is nothing but A is 6 and B is 8. Angle C is 60 degree. Here I want to take the cosine formula. C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB into cos C. So substitute all the values given in that. Instead of A, that is 6, that is 36, plus B is 8, that is 64 here, minus 2 into 6 into 8 into cos 60 degree. And then multiply and add, we can have this 100 minus 12 into 8 into that cos 60 value is 1 by 2. By simplifying everything, we have 100 minus 48, which is equal to 52. So now we got C square equal to 52. So C equal to root 52, that is nothing but 2 into 2 into 13, which is equal to 2 root 13. So the value of C, that is the distance between the width of the pond, is 2 root 3 kilometer. Ninth problem. Two Navy helicopters A and B are flying over the Bay of Bengal at same altitude from the sea level to the search a missing boat. Pilots of both the helicopters sight the boat at the same time while they are apart 10 km from each other. If the distance of the boat from A is 6 km and if the line segment AB subtends 60 degree at the boat, find the distance of the boat from B. Here two helicopters A and B are there. So A and B here, flying over the Bay of Bengal at the same altitude from the sea level. The sea level, from the sea level, the height is the same only there. Okay, to search a missing boat. The pilots of both the helicopters sight the boat at the same time while they are spot 10 km from each other. The distance between them is 10 kilometers. And AB substance 60 degree. They see there at 60 degree of the boat. Find the distance of the boat from B. So we want to find this value here. Okay. So now take the same cosine formula we are going to use here. That formula is C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Here that C is 10 because that distance that 10 kilometer apart from them is given. So that C is 10 That C is nothing but the distance between the two soldiers. Here 10 kilometers. So 10 square equal to that A square is not given, that only we want to find here. Keep A as it is. So A square plus B is 6 here. So that is 36 minus 2 into A into B is 6 here into cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree, then substitute all the values. That cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Therefore, we can easily find the value of A square here. That A square, now we got that A square minus 6A minus 64 equal to 0. We couldn't factorize this one, so that we want to use the formula of minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. And then substitute everything there. Therefore, we have the value of A now. That A is nothing but 3 plus root 73 kilometer. So this is here we have plus and minus both the values here there, isn't it? So from this the distance will be always positive, so that we want to take this one 3 plus root 73 kilometer. Tenth problem. A straight tunnel is to be made through a mountain. A surveyor observes two extremities A and B of the tunnel to be built from a point P in front of the mountain. If AP is 3 km, BP is 5 km and angle APB is 120 degree, then find the length of the tunnel to be built. We want to find the length of the tunnel here. Here from this problem it's given A equal to 5 and B equal to 3 and C equal to 120 degree. So we want to find the cosine formula, that is C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Substitute the value of A and B and then the angle C also there. Therefore, we have 25 plus 9 is 34 and here 30 and here 120 degree is there, that is 120 degree we don't have the value as it is there. So, we can write this as 180 minus 60. Therefore, we have the value as minus cos 60 here. And then minus cos 60 is minus half here. So, we can cancel here and here, that minus and minus will get plus, therefore plus 15. So, 34 plus 15 is 49. C square equal to 49, therefore C equal to 7 kilometer.